Hello friends, once again welcome to our channel. So friends, in this lecture we will discuss some questions related to full forms. So 50 full form questions. So friends, अगर अभी तक आपने नए हैं इस चैनल पे, अगर आपने लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो कर लीजिए. So let's start. Okay, full form of PCS. So full form of PCS is Provincial Service, Civil Service. Next is full form of NTPC. So full form of NTPC is National Thermal Power Corporation. Okay. So next full form. So full form of IMEI. What is the full form of IMEI? So International Mobile Equipment Identity. So come to our next question, that is full form. What is the full form of CID? So full form of CID is Crime Investigation Department. So come to our question number 5, full form of BHIM. So question answer is Bharat Interface for Money. So app is developed by National Payment Corporation of India. So you must know. So come to our next question, that is question number 6. Full form of CIA, that is Central Intelligence Agency. So Central Intelligence Agency ये फ्रेंड्स कहाँ की, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स सिविल इंटरनेशनल एजेंसी है, सर्विस है. So come to our question number 7, full form of FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. So come to our question number 8, that is फ्रेंड्स आप लोग स्टॉप करके और आंसर आप गेस कर सकते हैं और कमेंट बॉक्स में भी आप भेज सकते हैं. सो कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ GSI, दैट इज जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया. GSI ये कब फाउंड हुई थी? ये फाउंड हुई थी 1852 में फाउंड हुई थी और इसका हेडक्वार्टर कोलकाता में है. ये एक गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी है और इंडिया इसको ऑपरेट करते हैं जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे एंड इसके स्टडीज. बेसिकली ये स्टडीज और जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे के लिए इसमें होते हैं. तो फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CDMA, फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CDMA का क्या है फुल फॉर्म? सो इसका है कोड डिवीजन मल्टीपल एक्सेस. come to our next question, that is full form of GST. so full form of GST, इसका full form क्या है? GST का गुड एंड सर्विस टैक्स. सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च करा था इन्होंने GST, और कब करा था? मिडनाइट 1 जुलाई 2017 को करा था. सो फुल फॉर्म, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ गूगल? दैट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ गूगल इज ग्लोबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ ओरिएंटेड ग्रुप लैंग्वेज ऑफ अर्थ. ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए फ्रेंड्स. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ जीमेल? So full form of Gmail is Global Mail Authentication and Identification Library. Next question. और ये फाउंड कब हुई थी? 4 सितंबर 1998 में फाउंड हुई थी कैलिफोर्निया, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में. किसके द्वारा हुई थी? फाउंडर कौन थे? लैरी पेज और सर्गे इंडियन फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम. ये सर्गे और लैरी पेज के थ्रू इन्होंने फाउंड करा था. कहाँ पे? कैलिफोर्निया, यूनाइटेड नेशन स्टेट्स में. सो फुल फॉर्म ऑफ वाईफाई, दैट इज वायरलेस फिडेलिटी. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, दैट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IFSC. सो फुल फॉर्म क्या होगा इसका? इंडियन फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम कोड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ATM? दैट इज ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन. Come to our next question, that is full form of PAN. PAN is permanent account number. So next full form of PDF. so PDF का full form क्या है? PDF का portable document format. so next question is full form of, what is the full form of basic. So the full form is beginner ऑल पर्पस सिंबॉलिक इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड। ये कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जो कि डेवलप करी गई थी किसके थ्रू, जॉन जी केमने और एंड थॉमस ई कुड्स। They both have developed the this language, that is computer programming language basic. Full form of OTP, the full form of OTP is one time password. It is based on the किस पे based है, ये मैथमेटिकल एल्गोरिथम पे बेस्ड है जो कि क्रेडिट इसको किसको किसको जाता है, लेस्ली लैम्पोर्ट को जाता है. So what is the full form of PhD? So full form of PhD is Doctor of Philosophy. So next question, full form of ASCII. So America Standard Code for Information Interchange, इसका ये full form है. So come to the next question, that is GPS. What is full form of GPS? That is Global Positioning System. Question number 23, that is full form of R&D. So what is the full form of R&D is, let's see, research and development. Next, full form of gym is gymnasium. So come to our question number 25, that is full form of CDS is Combined Defense Service. Okay, most interesting is full form of AM and PM, that is anti-meridium and post-meridium, that is Latin word. They both are Latin word. What is the full form of OMR? Answer is optical mark recognition. So come to a question number 28, that is full form of IG. What is full form of ID? IG is Inspector General of Police. What is full form of civil? Full form of civil is Credit Information Bureau of India Limited, founded in 2000. So 2000 में found करी गई थी Civil Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Full form of VAT. So VAT का full form है Value Added Tax. So next is, what is the full form of IPC? That the full form of IPC is Indian Penal Code. So what is full form of LI? It is LICI, that is Life Insurance Corporation of India. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. That's why it is. But actually we call this, that is LIC, only LIC. So come to our question number 33, that is what is the full form of CD-ROM? So full form of CD-ROM is compact disk recordable or computer disk read or on memory, common data received on memory, compact disk read only memory. What the question answer is? So the answer is compact disk read only memory. That this, the answer is D. Okay, come to our next question, that is 34. What is the full form of ZIP? So full form of ZIP is, that is answer is Zone Improvement Plan. Option number A is the correct answer. Come to our question 35. What is the full form of CV? So full form of CV is Circulum Vitae. So answer is A. What is the full form of EDI? So let's see, efficient data interchange, electronic device integration, efficient data intensive, or electronic data interchange. So the answer is D, electronic data interchange. What is the full form of ZIP? Zone Improvement Plan, Zonal Investment Profit, Zone Information Plan, Zonal Investigation Promotion. So the answer is Zone Improvement Plan. Answer is A. let's come to a question. Next question, what is the full form of STD? So the full form of STD is subscriber trunk dialing. So answer is B. What is the full form of MBBS? So full form of MBBS is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Correct answer is this, A. What is the full form of NTPC? So full form of NTPC is answer D. That is National Thermal Power Corporation. Question number 41. Full form of A and A. What is the full form of A and A? So our answer is astronomy and astrophysics. So the answer is B. Friends, ये याद रखिएगा वाला question. So full form of AIAA. So what is the full form? American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. So artificial intelligence aided architecture, associated information on asset assignment, international assigned auditing and achieving. So the answer is A. American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. So come to question number 43. What is full form of KYC? So full form of KYC is know your customer. Know your customer. That is option D is right answer. Question number 44. Full form of OCR. So full form of OCR is optical code reader, optimized code reader, optical character reader. None of these. So the answer is C. Optical character reader. And recognition. कहीं पे आपको रीडर मिलेगा और कहीं पे आपको रिकॉग्निशन मिलेगा. So what is the question? Question number 45 is what is the full form of ALU? So ALU answer is A. That is arithmetic logic unit. What is the full form of ODBC? So full form of ODBC is, or let's see, optical data board connectivity and open database connectivity and optical data business connectivity, optical optical digital bit control. So the answer is B. That is open database connectivity. What is the full form of PNG? So full form of PNG is portable network graphics, portable network graph, pretty network graphic and portable network graphic. So the answer is D. Portable network graphic. Let's see question number 48. Full form of HTTP. So यह काफी लोग को मालूम होगा. सो इसका आंसर हाइपरटेक्स्ट, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. दैट इज हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल. सो 49. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. व्हाट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ISD? सो इसका इंटरनेशनल सब्सक्राइबर डायलिंग, इंटरनेशनल स्पेस डायलॉग, इंटरनेशनल नेशनल स्टेट डेवलपमेंट और नन ऑफ दीज. सो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ए. International subscriber dialing. So the last answer question is full form of MP3. So MP3 का इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Media Player 3, MPG1 Audio Layer 3, Machine Portable Version 3, Machine Project 3. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा B. MPEG Audio Layer 3. So friends, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो so please like and subscribe. Thank you.